Assalamu alaikum friends, today I will discuss how to fix Instagram music is not available in your region. Open Instagram. Click profile icon. Click menu bar. Click settings. Click account. If you have a professional account in your Instagram account, you need to transfer the business account. If you have a business account in your Instagram account, you need to transfer the professional account. Select anyone. Click done. Click next. Click not now. Click menu bar. Click settings. Then click accounts. Click share into the other app. Link to anyone of your Instagram account. Click home button. Select your story. Click camera. Then take a picture. Click emoji icon. Take a screenshot of this page. Click back. Click discard. Click profile icon. Then select menu bar. Click settings. Click help. Click report a problem. Then select report a problem. Click gallery. Add a screenshot here. Write something about your problems. You can copy the text my screen. Click submit. Select not now. Then open Google Play Store. Search Instagram. If you get any update, please update. Click settings. Click app management. Click app list. Click Instagram. Click storage use. Click clear data. Then click OK. Then restart your phone. Log into your Instagram account after 1 to 2 days. Thanks for watching.